welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. This quote is by Mark. All things are possible to him who believes. Beautiful thing. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials flat. NASDAQ is up 19. S&Ps are up 6.5. Gold contract down $3.10, traded at $1,205 an ounce. Now, what you have with gold, folks, is this. Wide price spread, accelerated volume last week. Gets it up to about the 1232. Pulls back, has heavy volume on Tuesday on the way down. Gets to a lower low yesterday, gets a lower low today, rejects both those lows with lighter volume. We're 1205. Gold wants to run to about the 1250. Silver, same type of setup in silver. Silver's at 1714. That wants to run to that 1822 level. Platinum's down $1.80. You're trading at 1154. And what is unusual is that platinum has stayed under gold for such a long period of time. Right now, it's $50 under, and normally it's 200 over. So bottom line, if you want to go buy platinum or gold coins, go buy the platinum coin. The premium will be larger, but the deal is a better deal. Copper's trading down, where is she? Up 2 pennies at a price point of $2.87 a pound. Light sweet crude up 165 today, $60.63 a barrel. Bonds had upward movement bonds. You had the price spread coming in the 30-year, but no juice whatsoever in either the 10-year or the 30-year. We had the 10-year up 13 ticks, 127.21. 30-year was up 1 full point, 11 ticks at 154.02. Both of those, folks, look to be very large ABC structures on the way down. We'll go through them, but they had fast acceleration down. You're going up with lighter volume. It's coming in right to where it's downdraft. Basically had the most amount of volume. It's going to be really hard to break topside at that level. King dollar down 54 ticks, trading at 95.45. King dollar also looks to me like it's an ABC structure on the way down. The larger picture for King dollar looks like it's going to go to 88. And that's going to be quite a shocker because, of course, as King dollar had moved higher, the whole world thought King dollar was never going to stop. Well, King dollar had already gone up, folks, for about 2.5 years straight. It was a straight line shot from the 78 mark till the 100 mark. Inside a currency, that's an incredible move. It was a 2-to-1 ABC structure on the way up. Anything over a 1 to 1.618, the way up or the way down is an immediate change of trend, and that's exactly what we got on King dollar. Euro, just the opposite. Euro is up 19 ticks at 111.13. Bottom line, dollar lower, euro wants to go higher. Maybe they both may be counter trend bounce, but bottom line, right now it looks like it wants to go higher. The yen down 32, trading at 121.02. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We go over to the SPY, and this market is asleep, just like when the Fed minutes come out yesterday, folks. It was absolutely a non-event, and I expect what you're going to see out here until, next Wednesday we come back. We get a long weekend out here, and bottom line is you're at highs with low volume. What you do have is this, though. The longer that we stay at these highs, the more the market is going to have a chance to break topside. Now, yes, I'm bearish. I haven't changed that. October 15th swing low, that's reality for me. We'll see whether it's reality for the market or not. But what you do have is that the SPY is at 213.50. Well, the further away it gets of the 212.24, the more probability it has to actually do a leg up. And if it does a leg up, by the way, okay, a leg up would be a pretty big leg up. The reason being is that the leg, most of the time when you're doing legs up, what you do is that you take the bottom of the leg that was established, the last leg that was out here. So the bottom of that on February was like 197 going up to 212. So it'd be a leg. We'll see where that shakes out. I don't expect it. I'm just setting it up. for the aspect of for all you bulls out there. We take a look at the 3 Qs, what you have with the 3 Qs. 3 Qs, we did 16 million shares today. That's anemic. That is going into 31 million shares. You can see it's about half the volume. What I expect you're going to see out here tomorrow, we are at 110.57. The high is 111.16. It's going to get hit. It's going to get hit with dramatically lighter volume. It's going to get tested. We'll see whether the market can actually stay over that level. The IWM, if we take a look at the the Russell 2000, what you have with the Russell 2000, it's weak. The way the Russell 2000, however, likes to move, I expect the Russell is also going to try to make a move with light volume up, at least test the lows of the high. And the lows of the high in the IWM is 125.92. And right now we're at 124.97. So you can see that wouldn't be that hard in order to basically get up there and test that high. We take a look at the, there she goes. Whoa, what just happened here? Okay, gold market. Let's go take a look at gold. So what we have with the gold market, the correlation inside gold too, flat out folks, is still the US dollar. Lower dollar, higher gold, higher dollar, lower gold. What is impressive about the gold market, however, is this, is that the aspect of how, number one, that they couldn't press gold under the 1142 even when the dollar was at 100. Bottom line, dollar starts pulling back. Gold goes from 1142 up to the price point of 1232. What we've done out here today is this. You pull back with lighter volume. You were pulling back into the sign of strength from the 13th of May. That's a big number, folks. 13th of May, what we had done is this. You went from a price point of 1190 up to 1218. You did 242,000 contracts. So that was showing wide price spread, accelerated volume. And when you do something like that, whether it's up or down, what you look for at this particular point is you look for the pullback. How is it pulling back? What is it doing when it's pulling back in? Well, in this case, we got down to 1,200 today. You did volume of 115,000. And that 115,000, it rejected lower price. It had lighter volume. You got back inside the range. You're at 1205. What that sets up, it wants higher price. What we have also is at this, the 13th, that 13th was basically blowing away the swing point and was blowing it away with volume. That dictates higher price. We get into the silver market. What we have with silver, same type of setup. Silver, even though it's basically lower, looks to me that it's actually stronger than gold. Now, silver is highly volatile, about 3 times as much volatile as gold. If gold's up 1%, silver's up 3. If gold's down 1, silver's down 3, okay? Bottom line, what silver is almost at, we're at $17.15. The high of the day of strength was $17.23. So even when silver pulled back, it only pulled back to $16.80 and then got out of there in a heartbeat. Silver wants to run up to this $18.55 area. That's a big heads up, because what you do have is this. There's enough folks that figure that neither of them are going anywhere. In fact, the whole world actually thinks that. And that's what it takes in order to get to higher price. That's just how markets like to shake out. If we go over and we take a look at the bond market for a second, we take a look at the 10-year first, what you're going to see is this. The 10-year out here basically got a nice little bump up today. You did 1.2 million shares, but contracts, that's not enough, folks. It needs like 2 million contracts. This is building cause to get into lower price. In fact, it looks like a very large ABC structure on the way down. Your A point is 129.31. Your B is 126. So we have, so that's $3, which will get you to 125. The 30-year, what we have with the 30-year is this. 30-year is right now, oh yeah, see, in the 30-year leads, folks, this is really cool watching this shake out. The 30-year today was up a full point and a half. We did 235,000 contracts. Well, 235 is not even close. You're going into 378. This is building monster cars to make another leg down in the marketplace, okay? So it's pretty intense. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. We got a bunch of numbers coming out, a bunch of earnings coming out. Dow finished flat. NASDAQ was up 19. S&Ps are up 6. Gold is trading at $12.05. You got platinum plate trading at $11.54. Light sweet crude, 60.62. We're going to be right back.